Hi, I'm Danica Fine from Confluent, here at the Sydney Opera House for some Apache Kafka on the go. Whatever data you're writing into Apache Kafka, it probably has a structure, right? Maybe all of these kinds of events must have user IDs that are strings, but all of those kinds of events have a temperature field that's numbered in degrees. How do you communicate that structure to other people in the team? Sometimes the right answer is to just capture whatever data you've got, save it, and let the readers figure out what bits they're interested in. But sometimes you want to write that structure down as a schema, a sort of contract that says, this kind of data has exactly these fields with exactly these types. Writing that structure down has a lot of advantages. You can use it for validation, it's a kind of documentation, it helps communicate your data model to your colleagues, and generally, it makes life easier and more predictable for future readers. So they're definitely worth considering. To learn more about Apache Kafka, check out Confluent Developer, but for now, remember this. A schema is a description of your data and its structure, and it's written down as code so that developers and their programs can agree what data they're working with.